Okay, here's how the debt's going to get wiped out mathematically. 33 trillion. Yeah, that's a big number. I hope you're seeing it okay. Okay. So 33 trillion, we're going to remember that number. $10 billion the U.S. buys of XRP, that would be 3 billion tokens. Okay? I like to do things roughly. They're not exactly. I hope you know that that's what that means. So how are we going to get 3 billion tokens to wipe this 33 trillion out? Well, if you know math, if you make it $10, you'd have to move it 1 decimal. Okay, so this only has 10 decimals. The 33 trillion has 14 decimals. So in order to do that, we'd have to move 4 decimals. It would have to be 10,000. Now, before you say, okay, it has to be 10,000, but it's crazy. How is it going to get there? I'm going to show you. Relax. Okay, so the road to 10,000, not roadkill. Okay, very funny. Okay, so you have to look at XRP and say, well, what's it got coming in? Well, we're going to be doing the Swift trillions a day, all right? Stable coins. Okay, that's just starting out. So we'll just say that's just going to be $1 trillion industry. Stocks, $6 trillion a day are traded, okay? And you have to remember, XRP is going to be getting fees because this is all going to be done by XRP. Derivatives, 6 trillion for stocks. And let's not, wait, I'll get to that one later. Bonds, treasuries, another 6 trillion a day. Now you got the real estate where tokenization comes into play and they have to leave it on the ledger, so that costs them XRP to leave it there. They've got it all, man. They have the roads to get there and they also have the gasoline. And I forgot the ETFs. The ETFs are going to be pouring in money, okay? So now, a bank wants to send money overseas. Now, some banks do $10 trillion a year, okay? So if the price was right now 350 and they had to send 10 trillion or even $1 trillion, they would have to buy so many XRP at 350, there wouldn't be enough. And that's just one bank. So in order for the price has to go higher. It has to be 1,000 to 10,000 easily, because it has to be stable too. If they're going to send $1 trillion, and they will, it can't fluctuate the market that much. If it's a $10 XRP, it's going to move like crazy sending that. But if it's a 10,000, they don't need that many to send. It won't move the market that much. Listen, the president has said to buy it. The banks are lined up waiting to buy it. These people are not in it for it to go to $5, 10. They're in it for the long run. You should be in it for retirement. But it's going to happen soon. Put in what you can now. Continue if there's more time. What are you risking? Even if it's $100. Listen, $27 a kid invested in Bitcoin in high school, thinking he forgot about it. It was worth over 800,000 now. Why can't $1,000 in XRP be worth millions? It's 50 times almost more money than what that kid put in, $27. So why can't it do it 4 times?